Science has drastically transformed the way we eat, but at a terrifying cost. The food we consume today is filled with chemicals and additives that our bodies were never meant to process. These substances, which are now pervasive in our diets, are silently wreaking havoc on our health, leading to a cascade of long-term consequences that we can no longer ignore. Every time we pick up a processed snack or reach for a convenient meal, we are unknowingly ingesting a concoction of synthetic chemicals. These additives, designed to preserve food, enhance flavor, or improve texture, are nothing short of toxic to our bodies. Our digestive systems, evolved over millions of years to process natural foods, are now being forced to break down substances they were never equipped to handle. This strain leads to a host of health problems as our bodies struggle to cope with the barrage of artificial ingredients. The use of genetically modified organisms (GMOs) in agriculture is another major concern. These crops have been engineered to resist pests and herbicides, but at what cost to our health? The genetic manipulation of our food sources introduces foreign elements into our diet that could have unknown, long-term effects on our bodies. Studies have suggested links between GMOs and various health issues. Yet these modified crops continue to dominate our food supply. Our bodies are not just dealing with natural food anymore. They are being bombarded with these unnatural organisms that could disrupt our natural biological processes. And let's not forget the rampant use of pesticides and herbicides in farming. These chemicals are sprayed on crops to kill pests, but they don't just stay on the fields, they end up on our plates. When we eat these contaminated foods, we are ingesting toxic chemicals that have been linked to numerous health problems, including hormone disruption, neurological disorders, and even cancer. The idea that these substances are safe is a dangerous myth. Our bodies were never designed to handle such a constant influx of toxins. Even the livestock we consume is not safe from this chemical invasion. Animals are often given antibiotics and hormones to promote growth and prevent disease in the crowded conditions of factory farms. When we eat meat from these animals, we are also consuming these antibiotics and hormones, which can lead to antibiotic resistance in humans and disturb our hormonal balance. The cumulative effect of these chemicals on our health is staggering, leading to a rise in chronic illnesses that were far less common before the advent of modern food production methods. The food industry has prioritized convenience, profit, and efficiency over our health. Processed foods are laden with sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that are addictive and harmful. They contribute to the epidemic of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions that are now plaguing our society. Every time we indulge in these foods, we are compromising our well-being, trading short-term satisfaction for long-term damage. Our bodies are being poisoned from the inside out, all in the name of modern convenience. The very food that is supposed to nourish us is instead contributing to a slow, silent decline in our health. It's time to recognize the dangers lurking in our food supply and take a stand against the chemical assault on our bodies. We need to return to natural, whole foods that our bodies were designed to thrive on before it's too late. The cost of convenience is too high. It's our health, our lives that are on the line.